In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Outlook. By the end, you'll have HubSpot working right inside Outlook, so you can track emails, log activity, and keep your CRM synced without any extra effort. Start in your HubSpot account. Look toward the top right of your screen and click the Marketplace icon to open the HubSpot App Marketplace. This is where HubSpot lists official integrations and trusted apps, so it's the safest place to get the Outlook connection. In the Marketplace search bar, type Outlook. You should see the Outlook integration from HubSpot appear in the results. Open that listing to review the details if you'd like, then click Install. This starts the connection on the HubSpot side and guides you through the rest of the setup. After you click Install, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Marketplace, also known as AppSource. Here, you'll add the HubSpot Sales app to your Microsoft Outlook account. This add-in is what brings HubSpot features into your inbox, letting you log emails, track opens, and access CRM tools while you write messages. Make sure you're signed in on both platforms, your HubSpot account and your Microsoft account, so permissions can be applied to the right profiles. If you see prompts asking for access to email, contacts, or your mailbox, go ahead and allow them. These permissions are necessary for HubSpot to log emails and associate them with the correct contacts and deals. If your organization uses admin approvals for apps, you might see a note about that. In that case, your admin may need to approve the add-in before it fully activates. Once the Microsoft Marketplace shows that the HubSpot Sales app is installed, you're essentially done. The integration will connect your HubSpot CRM to your Outlook account and make the add-in available in Outlook. Depending on your setup, it may take a moment to appear. When it's ready, you'll typically see the HubSpot icon or panel in Outlook while composing or reading emails, indicating that the connection is live. That's all it takes. To recap, you used the HubSpot Marketplace to find the Outlook integration, clicked Install, completed the installation in the Microsoft Marketplace for the HubSpot Sales app, and ensured you were signed in and granted permissions on both sides. With that, your inbox and CRM will work together to keep customer communication organized and visible to your team.